Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today, yet another volatile session on the Dalal Street. Today, the market opened actually a flattish tone again, down by about 10-15 points. The Nifty, it immediately went up, and in the Sensex, we saw at about 10:30, we saw the Sensex up by almost 110 points. But later on, we saw some correction, and the market even gone down by almost about 70 points on the Sensex. So it was much selling on the banking space as well as the metal space, where we saw some kind of selling in those sectors led by Jindal Steel, SBI, Axis Bank, and also ICICI Bank to contribute to the list. Friends, right now as I'm talking to you, market again is in the green and Sensex is up by 110 points. So it's been one of the most volatile session, as today is Friday, the last trading day of the week. There are a lot of traders who will be kind of winding up their position, maybe the long position and the short position. On both the sides, we are seeing equal movements. Today, on the gainer side, we have automotive, which is kind of, yesterday the RBI came out with suggesting kind of the banks, mainly the public sector banks, to offer kind of cheap loan rates, interest rates to the customers who want to buy auto kind of two-wheelers or kind of consumer durables. So that would be kind of a boost to that sector, which is kind of relying on the slowdown in the economy. So because of the Diwali, this kind of more demand picks up during that time. So this is the kind of an right time to kind of go for those stocks which are in demand right now. Friends, we also have on the realty space, FDI on the realty has been eased. DIPP has also recommended that the certain clauses like the hectares, which was 10 hectares, is brought down to 5 hectares. Also, kind of the $10 million is kind of brought down to $5 million for the investments. 3-year lock-in period with kind of possibility of getting out earlier. So all in all, the government is trying its best to give out the best reforms and policies for the beaten down sectors. Now, first they helped the automotive sectors and the FMCG sectors. Now they're going into the realty space, which is kind of struggling with sales and the slowdown in economy. So we would see kind of going forward these stocks, especially DLF, India Bulls Real Estate, Oberoi and Shobha, they will kind of contribute on towards the gainers side going forward for the next week's the market. Friends, on the forex space, rupee again showing the best performance today, strengthening by 35 paisa to 61.40 versus a dollar. Rupee is at the kind of since August 16, it is all-time high against the dollar. Because of the US government shutdown, rupee is strengthening on an everyday basis. That's all the news updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thank you.